Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press a combination of keys, power key plus volume down, just like this. And that's how you can take screenshots. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and the screenshot will be taken. And one last time, power key and volume down. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album. And here they are. And from here you can share, favorite, edit or delete these screenshots. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.